So this one's gonna be basically like just talking about getting to that like final little bit of profitability, if that's the word. Like, so I like first of all, first of all, you need a solid trading plan with rules. Like it can always be a bit subjective depending on market conditions, but I feel like starting off, you're better off just to have that mechanical, even if you can optimize it like by being subjective when you're trading, if you know what I mean. But I think like it's best to just have a solid like a routine, just very like just a mechanical strategy with rules, and just follow every little rule. Like you can't. Do you get what I'm saying? Once you're being profitable and you got space and time to start testing different little things out, you can do that. Or like yeah, I was about to say, or you can do that on like a back testing thing, but even then it's just too much noise. You just need to like cancel out the noise. You need to keep it as simple as possible. Yeah, like cool. You see how there's different sessions and that. You don't want to be like. It's best to just keep it simple. You get what I'm saying? Stick to one session just while you're getting there. Like master that one session. It's hard to do. It's fucking like I'm the worst at it. You don't even know. Like I'm the biggest hypocrite. Do you get what I'm saying? Like I'm talking from experience. Like my whole profitability has been delayed by years because I can't do routines. I can't do same things day in day out. My body's just like I can't. Yeah, it's how I work. So like you need to just keep it simple. Just stick to one session, one strategy, and yeah, and just rehearse that shit. Now, like another thing, when you got your once you got your strategy, this and that, you're all good. You've seen results. You got yeah. That's what I forgot to say. Use FX Replay. FX Replay is brilliant. It's like $35 a month, but it's like it's better than it used to be. You know, when I used to use it, I don't really use it anymore. I should be, but when I used to use it, it was still the same. But yeah, they sort of revamped it, and it's a lot nicer now. It's like see what I'm saying? Like the actual just the whole website is like a lot more premium now. You get all sorts of statistics. You can use different strategies. You can have different screens up at once, different charts. You can have NQ and you can have ES, and it's just like trading view on premium. Like no, yeah, FX Replay, test your shit. Even go back a few years just to make sure the strategy you're using isn't just like you know what I mean. Just double double check, be safe, trust your system, have faith in your system. Now, when you go to switch that onto like either a live account or a demo, like forget challenges and that for now. Like even on a demo account, like you're not gonna get the same results because there's just in your head there's gonna be a bit of pressure in the back of your head. Like I don't even know how to put it, but you know what I mean. It's not the same. It's like yeah, I can't think how to explain it. But when you're doing it on a demo account and a live account, you're not gonna see the same results, especially on a live account. But you can't expect to see the same shit straight away. You can't expect to be seeing results straight away. You have to be able to like just in life, you've got to be able to just do things day in day out and show up without seeing no results. Do you get what I'm saying? So like yeah, like when you're when you're when you're trading, you got your plan on that. Like first of all, you need to determine a bias. You need to determine a bias. Like before you even go down to a lower time frame, yeah, to even look like the time frames you're entering the trades on. Don't even be looking at them low time frames until you've determined a bias or you've got some sort of idea. Fair enough. Some circumstances you might need to go down to that lower time frame to you know what I mean help out with your bias, but just don't because if you got the attention span like I do, yeah, trust me, you need to just be steady, like be disciplined in it. So determine your bias. Now, once you've got your bias, like with me personally, I enter trades on between the 1 and the 5 minutes, sometimes a 6 minute if it's clear. Now, I will have a quick look at the daily time frame, just a quick little look in it, because yeah, you can tell from it. So what this is telling me now on this daily time frame is, I mean, we haven't struggled too much to displace past this high, but to the left. So you can see prices swept this high, and it's technically in a fair value gap. See, I wouldn't normally do too much, like do all this when I'm doing my bias on a daily anyway, just because but I'm just like trying to show you lot. So it's swept the high that is inside a fair value gap that hasn't closed above it. Cool, it might have closed above it here, but you don't want to pay too much attention to that. Now, as we can see, price has closed below this fair value gap here, imbalance, with a lot of momentum. Like, I don't know where my indicators are, but I used a volume indicator. Now, this is telling me, cool, let's say that when we're looking at this chart now, we're only at this point, we're not, these 3 candles haven't printed yet, we're still here, like where it has closed. Now, this is telling me that we are going for this low. Do you get what I'm saying? And it's a low inside, there's no gap on this time frame, but on another time frame there will be a gap here. So, do you get what I'm saying? That's why it's very good to, when you're doing bias, when you're looking at your bias and stuff, have a little look, test all the different time frames just to help get a clear view. Now, like, yeah. Like, that's one thing. See, like, when you're looking at the charts and you're trying to determine a bias, if it's not really clear, like, I can't think of an example. Was this mark? Yeah. Let's say you're here. You're in this area here and you're trading. I can't obviously do the replay shit, but yeah. If you're here, like, this is messy. This is all messy. There's no clear bias right here. Obviously, you could drop down to a 15-minute time frame. You could probably get a little bias for the day, but just as an example, let's say this is the 15-minute chart. There's no clear fucking bias. No clear bias at all. If you're not sure on your bias and you're not fully, and you ain't being profitable for months, just don't trade. Like, don't trade. You don't need to take trades every day. Like, it's easier said than done, because yeah, I've been there. I'm still half there. Like, you can't, you got fucking sit on your hands, bro. If you're sitting there and you can't, if there ain't a clear bias, you're not looking at that and you're not getting a light bulb in your head thinking, yeah, I know where this is gonna go, I've seen this play out, I've seen YouTube videos, this and that. Sit on your hands. Sit on your fucking hands. Don't be second guessing trades and that, because that's how you lose money. Even if it means you don't take a trade for a week. Bro, there's traders the best traders out there are taking 2-3 trades a month. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, you just need to sit on your hands, bro, and wait till it's clear, or literally. And like, I say another big thing is a lot of traders say, and it's true. Like, I'm saying it like it's not true. It's just then, like, your outside life mirrors onto the markets. Like, how disciplined you are outside of trading will show in your trading. So if you're really struggling with being patient and you're taking the wrong trades and you're kicking yourself after taking a trade that you know you shouldn't have taken, but you still can't help yourself, bruv, look outside of trading. Like, cool. Are you like have it like I think like the best thing to do, like two things, both. Do both. Fuck doing one or the other. Do both. Join a fucking gym. Make yourself do something when you don't want to do it day in, day out, or at least every other day, and have a solid morning routine. One, don't be going on your phone when you wake up, because look into the whole dopamine thing. Because if you can master that shit, brother, you can have like a reward system. You can train yourself like a fucking dog. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, don't be going on your phone when you wake up. Before you go on your phone, wake up, go take a shower, go get some sunlight, go on a little walk, or go sit in your back garden, get some sun on your skin. Yeah? Don't be going on that phone before you get out of bed and you've had a shower and that. Just don't be doing it. Just try and do it for a day, even a week straight, even one day. One day, have a solid morning routine. Don't be going on social media till you're out of bed and you're out of the house, and just watch how better your day goes. Because when I'm doing that, or when I don't do that, I don't get nothing. I'm just procrastinating. Like, do you get what I'm saying? I'm just moving shit. But if you make how you start your day determines the rest of your day. Full stop. Like, full stop. Like, if you're not, like, for example, like with the discipline, if you're not making your room, cleaning your room, or doing just little things that you know you should be doing, but you're like, oh, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it in a minute, I'll do it in an hour, bruv, that's gonna mirror onto it's gonna show on the charts. Like, you need to sort out yourself and your outside life before you can even think about being profitable. And cool, you might have passed a challenge, got a payout or two, you might have done well for like a week or a month or 2 months while not being disciplined, but it's never going to be consistent. It's never going to be consistent, and that's going to fuck up your trading even more in the long run, because you're going to be having good weeks, good months, and you're going to be fucking blowing accounts that you've been getting 2 payouts out of, like, and in repetition, it's just going to be going like that forever. Do you get what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, like, discipline pays big time. Because people like to talk about, oh, motivation, this, motivation, that. Fuck the motivation, G. You need to be disciplined. You need to do what you know you should be doing, not, oh, I should do this, or I need to do this, but I can't go, fuck that. You need to train yourself out of that habit, because you can force habits. You do something so many times, day in, day out, that eventually you're going to do that shit on autopilot. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, yeah, you need to just force yourself to do something. Get in a habit where if you're sitting there and you get a thought, oh, I need to do this, just get up and do it, whatever it fucking takes. Even if you've got to not do something, like, whatever, just for the short term, just do it. Like, just get up and just fucking do it. Like, just to make yourself get in that habit. Like, do you remember that meme? Just do it, that guy from the Transformers. Bro, go and find the original video of that meme. That shit is real as fuck. That shit is real. He weren't making it. It's funny how that got turned into a meme. People are laughing at that, and it shows. Like, it really does show, because, boy, trust me. Yeah. And, like, another thing is, like, when you're, like, I don't know, yeah, it depends how far into trading you are, whatever, what stage you're at. But another thing is, don't be hopping strategies. You got to test, you got to do months of back testing on a strategy before you can even have a thought about that not working. Do you get what I'm saying? And there might be a strategy that works for other people, but it might not work for you, because everyone's different and everyone's brain works different, and the market is, I can't even explain how the market works. Like, it's mad. Like, I can't actually, like, explain what I'm thinking, because it's just, it can be the same thing, and literally a million people can see a million different things, because everything's made up of perspectives and this and that. It's all your perspective. That's why it's hard to just, like, copy trading. That just don't work. Like, some influencers that teach trading and do content creation on trading, they'll do live trading, but it just won't work. It just don't work, and I can't explain how it don't work. But it's just because you have to do it yourself. You have to have your own system. Cool, get their system. but you gotta test it yourself. You gotta do it yourself. Like, don't be. That's what I was getting to. Don't strategy hop. Like, test that system, and test it vigorously. And if that don't work, and if you really like know it ain't, and you'll know yourself, bro. You gotta be honest yourself. You will know yourself if you have tested that properly. You will know. And if you don't know and you are doing, maybe you gotta take some more L's to learn it. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, and one final thing I will say is don't, like, most of you lot watching it shouldn't even be thinking about signals card. You're learning it for a reason. Don't be relying. You can think, like, people that get into trading, oh, it's a get rich quick scheme, I can get rich. It is the complete opposite. That's how they suck you in and sell you courses, and courses, yeah, fair enough, courses, yeah, but signals, bro. First of all, signals is financial advice. Just because you say before you're doing something or before a video, oh, this isn't financial advice, you can put what disclaimer you want on your video or Telegram group or whatever. Bro, if you're telling people what trades to enter, bro, that's financial advice. You get in trouble for that. Do you get what I'm saying? So, that, first of all, that just shows that guys aren't serious. The whole signal shit. And why would you want to rely your income, and if you're gonna make a lot of income, you're not gonna want to let that shit go. Why are you gonna rely that much income on another man telling you what to do? Fuck all that. Learn that shit yourself, bruv. Because if you really put your head down and you really can, like, get the hours in, even of an evening, if you're working, get the hours in of an evening in the week, well, you can pull that shit off in 6 months. Maybe not reach profitability, but you'll be able to tell where price goes in them 6 months, after them 6 months. Or it can take you 2 years, or it could take you 5 years. This shit took me like 6 years, because I took so long to take action and just put my head down. I've done it for like a year and a half, watching Swaggy see support and resistance, thinking, yeah, it's going to be profitable. And then the guy that put me on trading said, yeah, scrap that, learn ICT. So I've done a year and a half of learning trading, and I've, like, in my head, I've learned the complete wrong shit. So bro, that shit pissed me off. I didn't look at trading for like a year and a half. Then I've gone college now, and I started looking back at it, and then, yeah, I went to ICT and just started learning. I was watching Casper SMC. Listen, we want to talk about strategy hopping. I was hopping between every single fucking strategy that guy's got on his YouTube. Like, that's one thing I don't rate about him, is he was just, I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do to get your channel out there. It's like, yeah. And his strategies, people did make him profitable, to be fair. I might just had a bad experience with them myself, but yeah. And then through Casper SMC, I got to Dodgy. Dodgy DD. I forgot his name. Dodgy. I trade his strategy, and I saw him on Casper's channel, basically. But yeah, that's it. Just, yeah. And I'm talking about strategy hopping, bro. I'm gonna do some videos about my strategy, yeah. And by all means, go watch Dodgy stuff, because it's it's his strategy that he worked out himself. But, like, I'm not telling you to not go watch him, because he's got loads of good content, this and that. But if you need to reach out to someone to actually, like, you actually need some help, bro, shout me. I'm not like, you know what I'm saying? I'm here to, trust me. You can reach me on Twitter, Telegram. Actually, furthermore, my Telegram got blocked. Telegram, Insta, TikTok, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I got loads of spare time on my hands.